everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is very interesting and I'm gonna create pineapple cream filled eggless bun. So after 15 minutes our dough is ready and it's very soft. It's time to cover it with cling wrap or any cloth you have. Let it rest for around 1 hour or until double in size. And now place the balls in the foil ring. It's time for the second rise. and let it rest for 1 hour or until